guys, welcome to my channel. Diana Loves Colors. Thanks for stopping in today to see a video. And today I have a card from Miss Marisa Alvarez, and then I have an unboxing to do here. But this is from Marisa, and she is Fun Size Crafter on YouTube and Instagram, and she sent me this cute envelope, and I think she made it herself. It's really cute, and she has a sticker of a butterfly on the back. And this is, oh, I forget that Disney lady's name. Cruella? No. Oh, guys, you know the Disney lady. Um, Put it in the comments if you know. So we have some bunnies and some butterflies. This is definitely probably Easter related, and I already cut the top off. Oh, some goodies in here. Hi, Diana. Sending warm Easter wishes your way and hoping your day is as bright as spring sunshine. Aw, happy Easter. Hugs, Marisa, aka Fun Size Crafter, and she is fun. Look at the cute stickers. Very nice. Easter 2026, huh? I love how she writes in her colored pens like that. Oh, look how cute these are. Look at the bunnies. Oh, I love their glasses. So this must be a girl, has a bow in her hair, and she's wearing her glittery glasses. She's cut all these little parts out, the eyebrows, the mouth, the eyes, the glasses and bow. And then this is a layer here, the green and the orange. That is a cute die. And this one is in blue. You can cut out the little nose too. I love these. They make perfect embellishments. And then she cut out these Happy Easter to go along with them. Thank you so much, Marisa. I love them. I haven't done any Easter crafting or spring crafting, and I'm glad I did something over here, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put this away for safekeeping, and show you today. Not today. Yesterday, I found a box on my deck, and it was another Anna Griffin mystery box. And I just showed you a video 5 days ago where I got my other mystery box. So this is a mystery. I have to look on there because I paused my subscription, for one thing, because it is, a little pricey. It's nice to get them once in a while, and I wonder if this was already shipped out before I paused it. But anyway, it's here now, so um, here's the paper, the 12 by 12 paper. So we can take a look at this. So you get two of each one, and that's pretty there, that green and white floral. And then we have this one. It's kind of like a pinky orange color. That's cute. And here's some more green. And this is nice quality paper too. Very nice. Look at that with the pink and the green. And, oh, I thought those were little letters or words, but they're not. They're just little black, like, specks, lines. And this one is some flowers with bows. That's pretty. Very pretty. And then this one is lavender with a darker purple on it. Are those flowers? Yeah, some kind of floral. So I like the paper this time. And I've already looked at this, but I'm just going to pull this pile over here. So this was the flowers that came with it this time. Lots of flowers, and they're really beautiful. And I already took them out of the package, so I'll just show you a few of them. And what I love about these is the leaves and everything. It's already like layered for you. So for me, that's a big plus because I am a little layered challenged. And those are pretty. So it looks like a lot of roses this time. So now I'm kind of glad that they sent it. But I am going to have to go to the website and figure this out. And you guys know that they now make these sort of like a card kit every time instead of just getting random this and that. So these are all of the florals. So I'm just going to sweep these over to the side now. I don't know how they got them all in that small package. So then they also sent these. You get these gold swirly things, which are very nice to add to your layering. And you get a bunch of them. And there's also some cute butterflies in here as well. There we go. That. Those. That. Oh, this is really pretty. Really pretty butterflies. And I think you get 2 or 3 of each one. These remind me of watermelon. Alright, so there's those. Let me sweep these over. So you get 12 envelopes, 5 by 7 size, I think they are. Well, that's what they can hold. These are the papers that are already folded for you. Which match the 12 by 12 papers very well. That and that. And these are the, oops, there's another one. That one. And these are the inserts that go inside. So let me see what they say this time. My heart is grateful for all that you do. Oh, that's nice. So you probably get 2 of each. Yep. This one says, may you have a day that's perfect in every way. I thought these would all be like Easter cards, but sending a little sunshine to sprinkle in your day, reminding you that you're thought of in a very special way. That's very nice. Come on, hands. Wishing you all the best. That's nice. And so many of my smiles begin with you. That's sweet. And this must be the last one. Celebrate. May you have the best day ever. That's very nice too. I like all of them. And then they sent some pretty like off-white bows. They're very almost white, but I think they're more of a ivory color maybe. Those, and then I didn't get to open these. This video is just all over the place, I'll tell you. Bear with me, guys. It's been a long day. Alright. Thank you very much on this special occasion. That's fancy. There's two of those. And I like how these are even layered too. They like have the foam in between and everything. With loving wishes. Thinking of you. I like the font on that too. It's not so like formal. Thinking of you. With loving wishes. Aw, happy birthday to you. I made my daughter a birthday card in February using the Anna Griffin. And wishing you a very happy birthday. So I think you can probably make more than 12 cards with all this paper that they give you. And the last thing to show you is the die that they sent, which I got lucky because it is a size that I can use in my Big Shot. Let's see. Four and a half by like 6.25, almost 6.5. Yeah, it will fit. That's nice. Alright guys, well that is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. And I hit my head on the camera. And Marisa, thank you so much for the die cuts and the bunnies. I love them, and your sweet note. I appreciate it. And you have a happy Easter too.